I've got my cast aluminum polished wheels here. Went through one Michigan winter, and you can see they're corroded really bad. So I'm going to walk through a few steps that seem to really work to polish them up quick. First thing I do is I covered the center cap with some plastic bag and a rubber band. Not sure if that's necessary. And then I'm going to use some stuff by Napa. It really is pretty good for cleaning up a lot of the corrosion. It's a really good first step. I sprayed it on, and you can see this is acid, so it's really going to town. Now one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some steel wool to really try and get rid of the heavy corrosion here. And we're going to do this in one take, so I'm going to pause it now. So now we did that, and now we're going to rinse it. You can see it's a little bit better, still not the best, but I'm going to use this Mother's Power Cone, and Mother's Magnet aluminum polish. And here's the Power Cone mounted on a drill. And this really is foam rubber, and I really thought I would fall apart, but it seems to be holding up really well. I'm doing it certainly doesn't mean it's the only way to do it, but I just take the drill, or the Power Cone, get a little bit of compound on it. I'm doing this one-handed, but I'm going to town on the wheel. This Power Cone nice is for these particular wheels. This thing is holding real well. That now I wiped off the lower part in about the 7-8 o'clock position here, and you can see how much better it is. Little word of caution, I don't know how all this will work on all wheels. Be careful around the valve stem. You don't want to bust your valve stem off trying to polish your wheels. Obviously this will not work on the factory wheels that have the clear plastic on it. This is a cast aluminum, polished aluminum rim, but I was really impressed with how well the Mother's Power Cone held up, and how well the Napa acid stuff took all the heavy stuff off. So happy polishing.